Hi, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you an item I've been working on that I'm going to 3D print. It is an ant nest. Here is where I will keep a sponge to hydrate the nest. This area I've added texture for the ants to have better grip on, so they will most likely move in with the queen there. It's also textured so the larvae's cocoons may have something to grip onto. I will also add substrate. Here are some areas for piping to be added, or a test tube. And around the middle area is just more nesting sites. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.